Now, another important enhancement in the 5G is the advent of the Cloud RAN technology. In the Cloud RAN technology, basically we modify the architecture of the next generation GNB. There are two main components of the CRAN technology. One is the GNB distributed unit. The GNB distributed unit is near to the base station, is at the site of the base station, and it only holds the transmit receive capability, uh, the radio transmit receive capability, while all the processing of the GNBs is moved to the GNB centralized unit, and one GNB centralized unit uh, basically handles the processing for all the GNBs which are under its jurisdiction, and it handles computationally demanding tasks such as how the users are going to be scheduled, like what resources in terms of resource blocks to allocate to the mobile users, the security of the users, like their signaling and their data with the network should be encrypted, and these users need to be authenticated, and similarly the power control of the uh, during the call, the power control that is going on in order to reduce the interference to other user. These all these computationally demanding tasks are basically done at the GNB CU or GNB centralized unit, while the while your GNB DU is relatively a dumb device because it only handles the radio transmit and receive. Now, there are many advantages of this approach. The first advantage is the easy scaling up of resources, as all the processing is basically done in the GNB CU. So if there is demand for more processing capability, it can easily be added in GNB CU in the matter of hours. So on demand we can allocate more resources in the GNB CU, and similarly the different processing for different GNBs that are going on in the GNB CU, they can cooperate with one another and they can also share their resources, and upgradation and the deployment of the more advanced technologies for the processing is easy in this case. And the result is that due to all these factors, the cost of the network in the case of on the access side for the 5G reduces due to this Cloud RAN technology.